in this question we are given f of x and then g of f. We are told that g of f of x equal to x, that is g equal to f inverse of f inverse, and also given h of g of x is equal to x is an identity function. That whole thing is an identity function, and we are asked to choose which of the options is right. First is t dash of 2 equal to 1. So t dash of, let's say there is we know g of f of x is equal to x, so that implies g dash of f of x into f dash of x is g dash of some, let's say okay, g dash of f of x is equal to 1. From this we get it, so that implies the g dash of f of x is equal to 1 by f dash of x, and in order to find g dash of 2 we have to just find we just have to equate f of x to 2. If we equate f of x to 2, then we will get x cube plus 3x plus 2 equal to 2. So that implies x into x square plus 3 is equal to 0. From this we get x can be only 0. X square plus 3, that is not a real solution, and we know n functions map from real numbers to real numbers. So therefore at x equal to 0 we have to find 1 by f dash of x. So that will become 1 by 3x square plus 3, that is 1 by 3 into x square is simply we get 0 plus 3, so that is simply 1 by 3. So we get g dash of 2 is equal to 1 by 3, and option A is wrong. So next let's try to find, next question is we are asked to find h dash of 1. Before finding h dash of 1, let's see h of g of 3. So here we are asked to find h of g of 3 equal to how much, and we know that h of g of x is equal to x. So we are supposed to find g of x such that g of x is equal to 3. Then if you find x, we get the answer to this expression. See, it's very clear. We know h of g of x is equal to x, and we are asked to find h of g of 3. So in this blank we have 3 here and we have g of x here. If we equate them both, we can get the right hand side thing. We know that g of x is equal to f inverse of x is equal to g of x, so we can write f inverse of x equal to 3. So x is simply f of 3. That will become 3 cube plus 2 into x cube plus given function is x cube plus 3x plus 2. Okay, so this will become 3 cube plus 3 into 3 plus 2. That is simply, this is 27 plus 9 plus 2, that is 38. And the given option needs it to be 36, so this is also wrong. So this is wrong, and then we get this is wrong. Now we are asked to find h of 0 in option 3. That means g of x, that implies g of x if we put 0. Then we get g of x is equal to, simply just like the previous method, g of x equal to f of 0, that is equal to 2. Now again we get x is equal to f of 2, which is simply f of 2 is 2 cube plus 3 into 2 plus 2, that is 8 plus 3 into 2 is 6 plus 2, 14 plus 2 16. Let's see option C. Yes, h of 0 equal to 16, and option C is right. And now we are required to find h dash of 1. Now before finding it, let's change to red pen. Here we are asked to find h dash of 1. So let's see. We know that g equal to f inverse. So we are given h of g of x is equal to x. So that implies h is simply inverse of whatever function is inside. So g of x is, we get as f inverse of x. So that means here we get f inverse of x. So h is simply f of x. So we get h dash of 1. Here we are asked to find out h dash of 1. So h dash of 1, before finding that, let's find h of x, that will be equal to f. So okay, let's find h dash of x. H dash of x will be f of x into f dash of x. So that is f dash of x is 3 into f of x square plus 3 into this will be 3x square plus 3. So if we write down h dash of 1, if we put x equal to 1, this will become 3 into f of x is 1 cube plus 3 plus 2 whole square, and this will be 3. Right? 3 into x square will be 3 plus 3. So this is simply 6. And now we get this equal to 3 into 6 square. 6 square is 36 plus 3 into 6. So that is 3108 111 into 6, that is 666. And option B says, yeah, it says it is equal to 666. So this is right. So answer is B and C.